Guess where in the house this is? This is the first floor bath. And that is a lot of mold. Just mountains of it. So that's the new project. So it looks like at least 3 panels of drywall are going to need to be replaced. I got to get the drywall off right now to determine what's going on behind the drywall. This is too good. So I started my day, just to give you some background, pulled out the shower here, cut the pipes. This week we have electricians coming in to run the power in here, and then we're looking to get the plumber in here after he does the boiler. We decided on a plumber, so that's going to be happening in a little bit over a week. And I thought, well, hopefully when we pull all this paneling down, there'll just be some nice plaster, no big deal. That's not what I found. So now we have to take it off. There you go. Thank you. My concern is that beyond the mold, there might be some wood destroying pests. Looks better than I thought it would. So it's been about a week since I filmed last. Oh boy, lots happened. So first off, what we thought was termite damage was actually a combination of wood rot and power post beetles. We have the asbestos guys coming tomorrow to remove the floor in here, and so we need to take all the fixtures out of here, including the toilet and the sink. So I'm going to get started on that, and wish me luck. How about that? What are the chances that's the right size? Not high. Let's try 14. 14. So I need a 12. Well, as is custom, I have every size I need except the one that fits. Let's see if I can find a 12 and 13. 12 and 13, how about that? Let's see. Are you a 12? You are not a 12. Are you a 13? You, my friend, are a 13. I'm sure it's something different in English, but that's a pretty snug fit. Now I should say, I already turned off the water. For those of you panicking that I'm about to flood my house. No, I've had enough floods. Floods for one time. So yeah, I've already taken care of that. Should have done this first, but I just forgot. Got too excited. Let's take this one out. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Huh. Well, that sucks. There's always one. There's always one that's going to cause a problem. That's the way these things work. Ooh.